Hey there, YouTube fan. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news and giveaways. And boy, do we have an exciting announcement for you today. We've partnered with Tesla to bring you the most incredible giveaway contest ever. Are you ready for it? Introducing the all-new Tesla Pi smartphone. It's not just a phone, it's a revolution in mobile technology. This cutting-edge device combines Tesla's signature innovation with the power of a smartphone, offering an unrivaled user experience like never before. Let me tell you about some of the mind-blowing features this phone has to offer. First off, it's powered by Tesla's state-of-the-art quantum fusion processor, making it faster and more efficient than any other smartphone on the market. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running intensive apps, this phone can handle it all with ease. The Tesla Pi boasts a brilliant 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display that brings your content to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media, this display will leave you in awe. And let us not forget about the camera. The Tesla Pi features a dual-lens camera system with advanced AI capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to professional-level photography right from your pocket. Now, I know what you're thinking: how is the battery life? Well, Tesla has equipped this phone with a massive 5,000 mAh battery that will keep you powered throughout the day.